Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram doesn't have photo access issue. If you're unable to upload photos because Instagram can't access your gallery, follow these quick steps. First, open your phone settings and scroll down to apps. Click apps again. Find Instagram. Tap on permissions to see what access Instagram has on your phone. Make sure that the option for photos or media or storage is turned on. This will allow Instagram to access your gallery and upload photos. After enabling photo access, go back to Instagram and try uploading your photo again. It should now work without any issues. If the problem persists, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and see if there is an update available for Instagram. An outdated version of the app can sometimes cause permission issues. And finally, clear the cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, clear the app cache by going to Settings, Apps, Apps again, then click on Instagram, Storage, and Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram doesn't have photo access issue and upload photos without any problems. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.